my sister.
Yeah, man.
What kind of day?
I don't know what she gonna
I want to talk to you. I know say she's your daughter still. But you know, say I love her life. What you think? I don't know how she finished school and everything. And life hard, you know. I rain and fall, but dirty tough. Yeah, the son I go college.
You're mad.
May she gets some paperwork and letters after her name.
You just say college. That take money. College mean money.
Yes.
When she go certify now and she go look what then can't pay her or then send no vacancy in the listen to me. Me not no time for that. I want work, me want look for her now. Remember say you know. 19 I go 20. Me can't bother. It better she look a job right now. At least she can go work, save up some money and little more in the future if she want to go to college. Me and her can put money together. That is it, but nothing now. Me not no time to waste, you know.
Yeah, but the thing is, if she starts with her work with letters after her name, she get a booster in life. She not gonna start with the menial work first. If she go college now, you know, while she young and her brain can take in, not all and tough like a freeway. If she go college now, she can pass out and get her degree and pass out and go straight into a good job. I help mind you.
No. Me no say what you say wrong, you know. But sis, not right now. We take money to go college. Remember, you see, one I book them to go college. And a boy. Much as two. And an uncle too. A whole heap she a go want. Plus, maybe me have to go make she book in a place. You know? Pay fee she stay there for a month first before she can see her yard and me see her again. No, me no know that. And sometimes them girl the way they up there so too. Me no want me pitney mix up with them. Because they love switch people pitney and me no know that, you know.
Oh. You know, sir, you're kind of right, but me still feel so the education anyway is the way to go. What about her father? Her father can't help, you know, for once.
Look here. Who her father?
And you must know. Me never did it. Me never did it when the thing
right
was
now,
sweet you.
all when he exists, he come like he no exist to me. He come like a so invisible mosquito to me. That the father there. Me can't manage. Them the kind of man they say, you know what I mean?
Man too.
Try miss very best to make my youth come out to somebody in a real life. The only thing I choose she not get to go to college, but at least she have subjects, so
yeah, man,
when she get
try.
a job,
you do
she
good
can
with her, you know.
save and
Oh
go to
God,
college.
you do good with her. I'm proud of her, man. I'm proud to call her.
Hello.
Hey.
Oh no, there's some problem. Me hear no more talk.
Are you weird about? What else we talk about?
I don't
Mm-hmm. Where you come from?
know. Just I come from Upper Road up this.
Okay. Okay. We just a talk you and a plan your future, my girl.
I know I plan my future for why. Make you plan it myself.
Well, everybody need a little guidance, you know.
Yeah, but you say no go guide me, but you can't
that
plan
we
my
are talk
future. What if I no
about.
plan me no want do it?
I don't know force nothing.
Then mommy we are kiss for your teeth for now.
Are your auntie and no man and say no to talk to people? What is your problem?
I don't got no problem.
She said something to you wrong?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, she said she plan my future. I don't want she plan my future.
I don't really plan she a plan it.
Well, next time you
She just
see
gonna
her,
talk
then you
about
say.
something to better your life. College and something they not plan it. A part of plan, yes? Because she dey think something good. But you same one.
But mommy, I pay no money for send me to college.
Yes, me know. Me already talked to her about that. Me not no rank with me, girl. Me not no money no for send her, but you don't know what God I go do. Further down.
In the future.
Me and you can work together. You can get a job. You're soon 20. Work and save some money. Me go and walk and wash people dirty clothes same way. I no crime.
No,
What?
crime for that.
Okay, have people dirty clothes me wash and send you to school. Look how much subject you have. So if me continue do it and put little money one side and you get a job, you reach the age where you should have work from your 18, you know, you're soon 19. You just sit down at me yard and did it with me and you're out your whole life food. That's all. I know you're not get fat. Me can't bother.
I soon get fat, no worry. Yeah, you just say everything in my future, and so it can happen further down in the future.
Yeah, man. But you see that dirty foot boy that when me see you talk to? Listen to me now. Nobody with you, know. Because me see with me too, yeah, me couldn't prove it, but somebody tell me. Listen to me now. You are going to tell him, say, and if you want, tell him, say your mother said that I feel business and misses up with you. Tell him, say me say. Him no look like a somebody we fit for your criteria, you know, they pan for your level. And your mother say she work too hard to make you reach which part of it right now. This only could dirty foot. She tear out batty pants, boy. Come take me daughter. All when you're 19, soon 20, me no care. Me no want you pick up my work list, man.
Me not pick up no work list, man. Yeah,
So what you say upon him when you like?
Me not even chat to my boy up there, so who tell you that?
Okay.
You never see me, cause you can't see me on my day in the yard. Hold on, I eat and I watch show. Oh,
Look
you
here, you know,
miss
me daughter, listen. Me no say, listen, you have a age where you can keep boyfriend, you know, don't get me wrong. Me no say you can't get a man, but what kind of man?
If me want a man, I need
What
a white man. Me want a green cat to come out of Jamaica. That me want. Me don't want none of. Me don't want none of them.
Me want turn up, wanna take me up. Get up,
That
me
the ambition you
sister.
have.
Me toenail a hurt me, take me
No,
up.
but mommy, me don't want to take you up. You look back
Me
so
no want you
much.
take me up. Me toenail a hurt me, pull me up. Alright. Listen to me now, my daughter. Me cannot choose for you.
Right.
You reach the age where you're more than can have a man. I did not say you must not have a man, but what type of man are you looking for? You don't tell me about complexion, none of that me they talk about.
No, who
Number
said
one,
about no
if one of them,
complexion?
the man, they hear what you say now, and even if they went like you, they know better because they see your papers you want.
Then mommy, you want to
Where
see
they
in
talk say?
Jamaica where you suffer?
But me no want you get paper them the kind of way that mean you don't love the man. You love the
No,
man
you
too.
can
When
find
can
a
do for
white.
you?
No, you can find a white man who you love. Yeah.
Yes,
There are
you
plenty
can.
of
But you see where you,
so nothing
yes,
wrong
of
with
course
saying
you
they
can
would want a
find
white
one
man.
where you love it who can support you and give you everything you want. But how you are gonna do that? Cause the way you say it look like you just got the widow a man 2 papers.
No.
Figure where you go for him?
No,
Eh?
no.
Figure where you go for. You see me? Come back here,
All
son.
right,
Mommy,
sis.
me
Take
no
time
mind
with
that.
her. Take time with her.
Come back here,
sis.
so to me. Come right back here, so to me. Me no done talk to you. Stop
All
fly
right.
for me. Come back right here, so to me. Me no done talk to you. Me no want you there with come here, me daughter. Me not do you nothing. Come here. I know nothing bad you do. Me they talk to you. Me not lick you. Listen to me. You see true. Me have to kind of understand. You see true when she did
Me
much
know how
younger.
me know how
And the
your
little
hand
dirty boy
pick.
them. And that's why she think. But me not go do anything. Listen to me, me baby. Listen. Remember say I soon 20, you know.
Yeah.
Me no say enough you have no money, you know. But then the dirty junker, the way you take up mass and they come and me get, me can't even do it. I how they do it and they call you out at night time. And yeah, mommy, me just say right here, so stand up and somebody me and talk to.
But
Who
me
will they
just
talk
stand up
to?
there.
They invisible to me because me not want them there's no son-in-law.
No, me don't like none of them. Mommy.
No,
Don't
me I
like
go
none of
talk
them.
to you about man now. Say, me no stop you and me not choose for you. You don't tell me if you get whatever man, whatever complexion man. Yes, you can get green. You don't love people for what they have. Or you gonna love
Mommy,
people
you
for...
not
Listen,
understand.
you need to understand. You don't need to love nobody at all on earth for what they can do for you or what they can give you. I same thing. Love them for who they are. Because when man find out who no little nice pretty girl when you have me daughter, me tell you the truth. You know what they do too, no?
They can't kill with. That's why I don't want to take nobody.
And
For
alive.
no prank or nothing. Oh, they can't alive.
Don't take man things
Yeah.
if you know say I'm going to sit here and look for
No.
them and then you know say you don't love them and make them
No.
fall in love with you. What is wrong with you?
We're going marriage. We're going to live
We're not
together.
marriage.
Yes.
I'm not married.
And we're not married. We're marriage.
Married.
Yes.
And
Till
who,
death
do,
do
and
us
who
part.
have a baby mother-in-law for them the kind of when they get paper alone?
No, I'm not just a paper. Mommy,
And
you
who-
not understand. Me no want nobody at Jamaica. Jamaica get
So what do,
corrupt.
what do Jamaican
Foreign
man?
life
No,
you want.
Jamaica get
Excuse me,
corrupt,
my
man.
sister, come up little further. One day for the year with this a year over here, so a year and
No,
that one.
me
Yeah.
hear, me
What you just
hear.
say?
Mommy, Jamaica corrupt. Look up at the man them where did they and I can ask for help, and then when they give them help, they they call it son must devil's powder or something. When you do that, they knock you out and carry you gone. Me don't want nobody like them there.
Listen
me
to
want good man where we take care of
Everywhere
them,
in
we
the
take
world
care of them.
here,
We
look here
find
is
that
one big wide
everywhere.
world. And everywhere in the world have corruption, good, bad, and the indifference. It's up to who you choose. But you see, anytime we woman choose to ourselves, we always wrong. Make God choose for you. We
Yeah.
make too much mistake, you know. So violence is here, yes, and violence is there, and violence is everywhere. So nobody thinks say Two, you no want no man friend, yeah, so that mean you have to get a man wherever you they talk. I like you say. You don't have to get a good man wherever you they talk. Maybe they are worse than the one with the writer, so happy. Have sense. Because you can run from this and go, you can, listen, you can run from the frying pan and drop in a fire. Run from this and run, go in at that. If you get what me I say, all people parable. You get me? Me older than you, me have you. I'm a teacher sense, I know you're not stupid. No man on earth hear you they talk about me. I go get what a man can give me this and he can't give me that. You know that Jesus. Back to the sender. I never make you think
say, I go get a man because the man can't give me this and give me that. I never tell her so. I tell her say, I need a white man because mommy
because he can give you green paper, not
what
take monkey.
We can love and we can love and marriage.
Love say things say no man, the fool man then dead out long time. You think say no man, whether in green, pink or purple, go come see, oh, you're a nice little girl. And me like you, so I'll give you that green card.
No, we never say like that.
I'm not sure if you love them and they know how uno set a generation and now.
For me set a generation, nothing wrong with for myself.
Nothing wrong with some of uno, but something is wrong with a lot of uno.
Minus me out of that a lot.
Anyway, me want to go and shop now. Please, me they beg you. Want to go cook the little flour. No, listen. Go cook a little flour. Film me when me have over there and a little chicken back. Man, curry it tastes better. The breadfruit, when they tell you, it pop out this 10 yesterday.
No, I must. It your type bread bag. Must never breadfruit.
See now, but that rosy.
It can't roast it. Must never me.
Sure, we then. Me buy one express food.
My breadfruit expensive. I put some flour and the chicken.
Alright, go on now.
Do enough for me.
Yeah, follow me Insta good on me road. Later, nobody stay on the road. Love you, me darling. Love you, sweetie.
Oh, God. Guys, this one hot. I know.
Everybody know.
But
guys, guess what? Wait, then. What? Me forget to tell you something. You see, right over here, so where Emmanuel look me. I over here, so in this window.
What you say?
Yeah, Def. Mama. I'm a man plant ground. Mama. I'm not telling no lie. A man we planted ground and so over
Me think I did have bigger standards. I really, this a old broke man I don't want to pick up.
Girl, my man is a ground engineer. Allow him. He's engineering the ground. What a business?
I hear this again. The girl one day with the broke man. You know he 1 foot man live over here, so?
He don't have 1 foot. My man had 2 foot. Where you chat?
Me not like the man. The broke man.
Shut up now, you can't chat.
Listen to me, Riri. At least our man I give her something. Our man is a farmer.
Right.
Over there want fix up. You couldn't fix up over there. You could make a
No, me and them are go over there one day, but not right now.
You they tell the girl foolishness. Warm to when they run down the bank teller down there. So. You see difference with a grown man and a bank teller is that bank teller have money. I mean want money, so I'm gonna run down a
grown man got money too. We're not gonna get food from Finiam. From people with grow.
Girl.
I'm not enough for money. Bet me if every farmer in Jamaica top farm right now, whole I know dead for hunger.
How got it hungry? Rice today?
Yes. Who tell you take rice though? No plant rice and
so. Let me ask you something.
What?
From me, know you little and I grow up, right? I'm not proud with the man you're there with no because you're a man and you're a choice.
Exactly.
When you little and I grow up, you never say you want a rich man. How you there? Girl,
look here, as your grow, time changes. Time flies.
Mama, me not think time change right now. You don't see what they go on in Jamaica. You need a man who can lift you up higher. You
but in tall income, they need just to lift me up so.
No worry, no. You have a man on your head, kid. Look for your head and your lashes are pop off.
Like any man fight and
one to you.
Me, no worry about me.
So yeah, worry about me. Me did tell you say me have man. I say fear man a beat her, so nothing wrong.
Here then. Look on the face over a big red mark and you take a contract about me and my farmer.
Yes. Left the girl in farm money don't have none.
What? Yeah,
just
what to you now?
Then turn your back round.
Say I go left a woman for you. You did tell us so?
I never tell, but if happen, it's going to happen.
In the future. Not think it will happen.
Me not business. Me think you know if it happen nice. No, you stick to your broke man. Me no know. Me encourage you good.
To your poor life and broke life where you not get nothing. Where you piece of piece. Your damn head look like you want fall. Pick it out.
Girl, you have them toughness and you see me. A man me want and I eat me I go look bored.
Me no. Your man.
Me encourage you better. Me was a tree man me have.
Oh,
you forgot?
I forgot.
Me go link the bank. So when you breed or you go. Anyways, when you come on, me want go pick to a master and apple them.
Girl, me want to
climb a tree? No, you climb a tree.
Oh, me can't.
Why? It's on drain me. Tired? Alright, now we hold and shop them lock. Talk to them tired. What are you having it? Girls?
One money, you come?
Girl, me can't go down back down there, so I'm sorry. It's sun hot and me thirsty.
You too stupid. You couldn't turn out all the way down there.
When we done this chat,
If you not come, just say you're not.
me not coming.
Come on, left them. Me not coming. Come
Bye-bye.
on. Next time, me not come.
Hey, my sister. You want to hear what me here out the street about your cousin? I know my cousin, I feel your cousin. You know, say, they lock up by half a thief, goat and cow. Then catch him round a mass storm yard. I load up the truck. Of course, if you get a long time, they fi beat him too. In two thief, man. And then catch him with the cow and the goat, and he might draw the last bull cow and the goat, and the police just walk up on him. And look, you see the police catching still time anyhow.
Put it down. Can you see anything you see me from my phone? You always come with some. Why am my friend come and talk about so?
Yes, are your cousin? And my cousin are your cousin.
My cousin, you did
Me not claim him.
think I say my friend so.
Finger think and you can dash
really,
him.
my cousin you talk about so.
This is one by me talk. In thief, goat and cow, him are the biggest thief, and this time, he pull the bull, you know, and chew the bull, and know him, you know. The bull, throw back and a hold back and a dig him foot, you know. And I pull the cow, and I pull the cow, and then I pull the cow, so and the police just drop on him. So, in lucky still, because if they...
Hold on. Hold on.
Just wish me the dead,
just hold on there a little bit.
Yeah.
How are my cousin and your cousin? It was
Cause finger stink and you can't dash it when me dash that the way.
But me I see man and the same father, so how are your cousin?
Finger them say finger stink you can't dash it when me dash him way. You know dash him way, but me dash him way.
Chew my teeth and him and
Look how much time him teeth me.
Oh,
eh?
so
If me was the other way, but I teeth my woman
so
too.
if he did honest, you and him related.
After he wouldn't have hurt me.
But
Him hurt me too much time, man. Him teeth and me too much time. And we're family. So me can't call him family then.
It's okay, man.
You can't go, hey, baby girl. You're
Auntie,
good.
yes, and good
you're
evening,
good.
mother.
Good evening.
Can't call that family, bro.
Every time I hear him, I hear him, I say, what the fuck is that?
God. Uno cousin. When I hear the judgment with for uno cousin. Buyer. In my teeth, cow and goat.
Oh, I'm not gonna want to hear. They say, why you don't hear and know, nobody can accuse you of knowing or nothing.
Alright.
Yes, mother. I took your advice and I found, me left young man alone. You get it? So me find a ground engineer.
Kakao.
I met a nice guy, he's a ground engineer.
Hello, me hear you say.
Yeah.
Just listen to me.
Okay.
Me and you all in a conversation about then with old or young. Me tell her me cannot choose say what me no want. See how the little dirty butterfoot boy them where walk and thief and them but
a
it tear
young
out.
boy can so yeah.
Then trousers but it tear out for true. Them pants but it me call trousers but it.
Yeah, well, me left
tear out.
them there alone. Me look past them.
Look class man, then in your level. In your league, that me mean. But what you say you pick up me darling?
A ground engineer.
Ooh, you hear that?
Right.
That mean a big man.
Yeah, man, a big man. Can you hear engineer? A big money man that.
Wow.
You're proud of your niece.
Yeah.
Yeah, God.
He is very hard working and he's passionate and everything.
I love it.
Yeah.
But I love to meet him.
Oh, when I saw meeting, what time?
You need to tell her last name because I found a young girl that breed for man and I don't know the
No,
last
I'm
name.
not briefing the man yet.
No, me never say if you go get pregnant.
No.
You're not ready yet.
Me know that.
A
Me
lot
even
of-
financially stable now.
Well, I am going to tell you this. Even some big woman like me, no for we and no for uno young girls, pregnant for man and do not know the man last name. So you see when time the registration time come, hey.
Shame and disgrace.
Then uno have to put we have to put our surname on the birth certificate time and not turn up and say I don't feel.
No. What's here?
So what kind of conversation and then that was that's you so sure that grown engineer man
What
love
type of
here.
conversation? He asked me, what are my plans for the future? And if me need help with school or anything.
What are your plans for the future?
Yes, and he asked me my plan for further my education so I can be better in life and be independent and
So like a
no
somebody
like
like
Already.
Yes, and then they did a talk about.
Oh.
And they said if I'm struggling, I should come to him and ask for help. Because
Excuse me?
no, like he said, if
How
we
long
can't
since
pay off
you know him?
college fee, couple moments ago.
Just few moments, like few minutes.
No minutes. So maybe milliseconds. So
Hours.
cause not long.
Oh,
I know hours.
oh, it's not-
I just want to come for a shop.
I didn't promise you someone to
And I offer you money.
Eh? I don't want to believe. Mommy.
Promise you so
He never
many.
promised me. He said if me need help,
If you need help.
yes,
Okay.
me must come find him
Oh,
so he
if
can
you
help
need help.
me further my education.
Oh.
Yes, that's what he said.
And
He
you
never did
believe.
promise me nothing.
And you believe.
Me believe because he's so very passionate and diligent. He's so convincing.
Oh.
A promise is a comfort to a fool.
No, this is a fool. This is a full of
You
sense.
follow the promise, but make life feel still. But
Yeah.
use your head as your mother said.
I don't trust man in jacket and tie, you know.
You know we're jacket and tie.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because some of the man, although me no man, you know what I mean. Some of the man, then me put it away they then. Are wolves in sheep clothing. So me like, oh you find somebody will say in case or if you need any help, him we can support you if you need a financial help. But I don't know if you go for that one day yet enough. I'm not too sure I will go and
Well,
like this.
in the right up there, so he have a big plot of land with things on it. He's a farmer. That's what a ground engineer is. Him dig up the ground. Him engineer on the ground.
So farmer name for what grown engineer now? A so
You have to-
farmer name?
yes, you have to make them job sound fancy.
Just a straight farmer.
No, ground
He's a
engineer.
farmer.
Want his son fancy. you
Me
know?
think so big. Me no know. Me think so a big office man. An engineer. An engineer
No,
sound
an
like
office,
saying
you
have
work
qualification.
Where's
No,
that?
you work.
No,
out.
wrong
you-
with that.
you
Come on
met.
in the dirt. So
Me
they
know
my
money
work.
in
Hold on
the
there,
dirt.
Amanda. My daughter, I don't want to get too wrong. When you say you met one nice grown engineer man,
AKA
when tell us say, in case you need any help,
Yes.
you can just tell him and he's there, right there at the door to support you.
Yeah.
And in fact, the
Mommy,
engineer where you meet
them,
in
if breadfruit
farmer
them where it
place.
off a tree, and who you think for me? And him for me. Yeah. Breadfruit them where you buy. Mommy, no wrong with that. You tell me something if you look upon them and they say me don't look at them.
Engineer.
Yeah, me reach
And
a
he
ground
farmer
engineer.
place.
Yes.
Hey,
What wrong with that, sis?
Nothing wrong with
you
farm.
see you? A long time me tell you say a real jackass.
What wrong with
And
farming?
you're not do farming, but she did not tell me that she meet a farmer. So when you want to tell me that she meet no sis, you want to hear that?
You know, them young people, them put fancy words on
No.
them things.
So what are you telling me? She meet a grown engineer,
Whatever they
farmer.
want, call it to my farmer. What
She
wrong with
meet a
farming?
grown engineer, farmer.
So what wrong with that?
Lord.
You tell her to
Lord.
drop the dry foot boy. So
I'm a
the
job.
automatic chooses guy.
Right.
And she do it. And she pick up a farmer. What wrong with that?
God, come on, help me, yo.
And him have land.
So
Yeah,
all
he
of
have
us
a
farming
big-
on the land.
Yes, he have a big plot of land up there, about 1 or 2 acres.
And he want to help her out. And send her go college.
You see you?
How will you flash my
You
hands
see
behind
you?
her face up?
You're not listen. You're just a hear.
So you don't feel here to
You
listen.
are here, but you're not listening. That's why you're not learning. All of a sudden, the engineer them turn farmer.
You know, not so big word run the young people now.
You're not
You know what? You know what them call? You know what them call housekeeper? What? Technical support engineer or something. You want to hear the big old name them call for housekeeper? I saw the world around now, sis. Are you out of date?
Yes, me outdated. I like
Mommy,
it.
I need to update your software. Your software
No.
outdated.
Software outdated.
Yeah, your bullet is
God, me expire.
17.5. So for
Sometime it better.
18.5 now.
Listen, it better make expire outdated more than me meet one man.
Well, if
And he
at
tell me
least-
say, him an engineer. engineer versus what you call it?
No, mommy, engineer,
engineer
for the
farmer.
ground. For the ground.
Yeah,
For
man,
the
you
ground
can get
engineer.
engineer,
All the
you get
dirty sell dirt
engineer.
and foreign, you know?
Eh?
Anytime you find dirty, sell it a foreign. I make money too. Yeah.
From
Money
dirt?
upon it. Yeah, from dirt. Dirt where we walk on every
Mind
day.
you, for with dirt and for with
Okay,
him
so when we
rich.
can meet him?
Yes, we'll meet him. When me sure, you will meet him.
I hope he no frown is in door.
No, you're not frozen. So we're very good.
So hold on there, we need to talk to him. You look on him toenail good?
They look on it good in there, but in there have on socks. And book a boot.
You have one socks and you see him toenail.
But me look on your foot. Me have to look on your foot. In there have on one socks and one crooks. But we call them book a boot.
Then he look like he can read.
Yeah. But you have to can read.
Him sound like an intelligent, bold person with know for all a proper conversation.
Yes, when you meet him, you will test you out for yourself.
You sure you say my
But
reasonability?
positive. But positive. Mommy, if you could read, you wouldn't know which fertilizer, which pesticide, which chemical to buy and put
Alright,
on
so you
plant.
tell me say you sound like a one conscious person then.
Right,
You
he's
sound
conscious.
positive.
He's very positive and conscious.
But sis, think
I
about
want to meet
it.
him one day.
Yeah, you're going to meet him one day.
I full could
Think
have
about it.
conversation.
At least
with
now you
she.
don't have to go back and market, go buy nothing. Instead if we want, we can't get so little things off our farm. No, me take care of me eat, me save my money. I'll be back, yeah.
I want nothing from nobody when me don't know.
Well, I know.
You're so unhappy though. And you're not even knowing I just meet him for a few minutes. Big up yourself. You see you?
What we do?
You as my sister, I want to tell you something. A long time ago, you say licky licky.
Licky
You're
with what?
very much licky licky because you hear
Because the
you
girl
say
happy.
engineer, farmer man. Eh?
And me cuss the young boy that she did that with. Eh? And me tell her to leave him because he's not good enough and can't provide. And you call me licky sis. You don't hear me keep on my mouth. Hey, you talk to your picking, you don't hear me keep on my mouth. All women I agree with you. As your child, my niece, yes, but it's your child, you as a mother, I talk to your child. Huh? And now you, I tell her
Don't
for,
talk,
hold on, but I like take blame for something,
No,
no,
say
you know.
nothing. Me don't talk.
Hey,
Everything
and now you tell her for throw away the dry football came can do nothing for her.
Alright, yes.
And
You
she
say
do
little more?
it.
You say little more?
She can't
Yeah, you finish the
please you, know.
conversation. Go on, no
She
one
can't please
Yeah, go on,
you.
go on, go
But
on.
don't blame me for something in the doses. But don't like it, man.
Jesus. Ah.
Walk up my big head, girl.
Up.
Yeah, what like you want to walk?
So hot girl, me I wonder. But they want to turn back. Women they never turn back when they reach right there, so. Oh, girl. See the man where they look Kena, yeah. That man, yeah. The broke man. The broke farmer. Broke farmer.
What your problem?
What make you look,
you
my
have a
friend?
problem with farmer?
What make you look, my friend, and you don't have no money?
You don't have money for like somebody.
It don't really matter, but you know, she say I get her she there. You know, she want go out in the city. You can't carry in the city by doing farming work.
You ask the wrong question, then. Yeah, how much?
Hmm?
Yeah, how much?
I'm just 30.
Come on, girl. Ah, my friend, at 18.
So around with it.
You could look at age. You can't look at age.
Love come in all different type of angle.
Man, fact, I want to know where you have a use on a whole lot. Because I must the banana and the yam, they may use and catch her, yeah.
No,
You use and catch her?
listen, it's when you have love for somebody, you show the love.
Oh, God.
You know what? Somebody where you dearly love and you can't get the person.
Love now, we're. The money out here, money. And you look like you have none, you look broke. You're a broke man. You're a pauperized man.
Broke farmer. Look for you.
You're worthless nowhere.
Don't never look at old man.
Get
Is.
it.
No.
A scammer me want. You know, see the scammer them a
Yeah,
go
that's you,
African. And them me want there with them, back of them, you know. Oh,
Rich man, no, I'm not a broke pocket man like you.
You
I'm
know
not a
what
friend of the video.
scammer do forget money?
you know, hear them, me just tell you.
African do the things then.
Alright, tell him.
Okay.
See, if we go African.
Yeah.
So you believe in a scammer where I go hold your man?
No, not really.
To sacrifice your home.
I don't mean to sacrifice other people. Once me I get the money, I don't care about nothing.
Let me teach you something kind of young. Mentality
And you're
young.
old.
You see, scammer, when it reach to a point where them have to sacrifice their loved ones, you see, once them are there with them, I never sacrifice, you know. You think them are sacrifice their mother for Uno?
And once Kena there with you, yeah,
Brock him a go
sacrifice
break
her.
down.
For what?
Cause she not gonna have nothing in her life. She not gonna
Brock
make
him
it in
a
her
go
life.
break
How you
down.
know she not gonna make it in her
man.
life? Me a go
Him a
help
go-
her.
She wanna do her ear, can't pay for do her ear.
Me not have it right now.
Ear
Yeah.
there. Ear there. You
Bye-bye.
broke like a dog. You can't talk and talk to broke like a woman.
You broke. Me no want
So-
people to say. Me a talk. They go
One
say.
day I'm gonna regret it, you know.
Me not regret nothing.
Alright. Alright.
Whenever they have me a back.
Then if you walk like you're not innocent, where you
Dear.
expect.
Who that there?
No, your man that come out in
Yeah,
a
poor suit. Why, me dear?
Wait there.
Chat.
Wait there.
Chat.
Wait there. Me Jesus, me dear. No for your mouth stink. Me Jesus, me dear. No for your head can do. Low me and my
You
man
take it too
alone.
far now. You take it too far.
Well,
now.
no low him. No trouble him every time. He not do nothing.
Poor suit.
All around
Dear.
So me ask you one question. You could put on some hot white clothes and work in a farm.
Sure.
You look decent, but you just put on some craft clothes.
Are you wash your clothes them?
Huh?
Stop touching. Don't touch him.
Look up at your
Right.
foot.
What wrong with you? Me just.
You just, oh, you could just young. You could make you put on some hot white clothes.
Where it makes sense, babes, let me answer. Where makes sense that him put on hot boy clothes to go in a bush, right? When you do that, then you spoil up your clothes, them and you can't get them back. What happened? Waste some money. And I want to say I want to chat same broke.
What if you are eyelash fillers?
Are you wash your clothes them? No about my eyelash them. They not make you see.
The head one wash.
Me know.
So when you come per road and approach
back
people, you must make sure say every weapon you present him first. before you
Presentable, babes. Presentable.
Okay.
Yeah.
Presentable.
Yeah.
Before you come on the road, come accuse people. No when you're cold hand. Eh? You can style my clothes. You
Me
don't allow
not
me have
style
this
of
clothes.
clothes.
Come
What
back
is
away.
that?
They could have
Me
bread.
not style of clothes. Me just think I could have put on some hot
Girl,
white
you don't judge a book by its
Come
cover.
on, so. Just a kind of
Yes.
hot rich boy.
Just
Just
some
I'm
like
see with you. I'm gonna see with you then.
Well,
say, yeah,
Right, so maybe ask us something now. If in the dress rich and nice, you don't want him?
No, don't want him because I
It's some making turn poor and broke and paparazzi and pop down.
That's why I love you. You
Me
see
know,
why I
man.
love you?
Yeah.
'Cause you know what is good, man.
Yes.
They don't know what is
Anyways,
good, man. Especially
we are
this
good on the way
long-
now. Come. We are good on the way now. Come.
We don't tap none of your two posts. What?
Go on, me staying with
Carry him go on, your friend. No touch me.
Me I carry him go on.
Yes,
Come here, son. Yeah.
All right, I work there.
Put on better clothes than that.
You.
Better clothes than that.
Come on.
You should have job.
Mama, we are good on the way now. Come.
Go on, no, mama. Me
Then I
not
follow
coming.
it. Then I follow it. It's a friend I
Every
come.
time.
When I go
Girl,
to
stop
the bad
that,
company.
Every
You.
time we are go somewhere, you ever they should have watch the girl and her man. You watch the girl, man.
No.
Every time your man they so much ever did it.
Whoever cause the girl, man,
I
can
could
just
something that I could something that
Go
she
now,
knows that we don't
consider
want her
man
man.
for-
She will know so we don't want her man, but you let itch up back at she and her man.
Yeah, man.
Like you want her.
We getting.
Will she do that? You.
And the three of them there.
work.
Where
Where
drunk
drunk
her?
so?
Are you friendly?
So called, yeah.
What's a girl?
Friend, I cook her man.
You know what I'm saying? What here?
Awa.
I can't tap me about a pine for me and talk about me and me. I look at this and that and I tell you
Tell us
about
say you
this and
want
that.
your man, girl.
Look here. Let me teach you son. Yeah, so next time a girl approach you, you go so hawk. And you say two.
Alright,
Yeah.
here what? Here what now?
Yeah. You carry from your belly bottom, go straight up your sword, then you make sure a pit fly go for right in the eye.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama, link me. Me I go in the privacy.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, later.
Yeah. Man, them beat you done this, so cause they did that lick out of you.
Oh.
Them.
No mind them. I go me out to weed up and me tired and say me I go get something to drink.
Oh.
And alright, you see me?
Yeah. Yeah, but you don't have no water over there. You don't see us on hot. You're not tired?
Come and get you some water to drink.
Yeah.
Oh God, see.
Girl, we friend too much strong. What do you mean by that? How you manage today with that poor man there?
Sorry, let me ask you a question. If the man did have money, you would there with him?
Ma, let's talk for one other day.
And that with you now. I say, my man come round, you right now. I say that day with him.
Girl,
So you would that day with
you're
him?
going like you would do the same thing too. Remember, some me used to share man back then, you know.
Really? That about then. Do it now, make it pump in your face. Do it now. Do it now.
Me never tell you.
have
So me
sense
never
now.
tell my friend them, man. Me never tell you that.
Your dad take mine. I should never have no
Yes, I
sense
did
back
back then.
Me have sense now. Do it again. Do it again. Me have nothing. But me I tell you the truth. The man could have put on some hot boy clothes to
Tell
look
me, I
sensible.
say.
What's that dirty girl? Yeah? What is that one? What's
It's a dirty one, yeah.
that?
Drop with company. If you gonna par with broke people.
Hello.
So your friend there?
Yes, shut up, man.
Oh.
Let me ask one question. You like her, man? And yes, I know me I work with. You like her, man?
No.
So me
So
can't itch
why
up.
every time she had to talk to her, man, you have to stop there like you look the man?
Well, we are friends and una go cuss a girl, man. You expect say girl I go feel a way.
We talk to each
She's supposed to thank God.
Unu woulda like a girl, get up and cuss for your man or cuss for your man.
Me no
and
mind.
man.
Me no mind.
You wouldn't like
No, me don't like it. That to me say they don't want me, man.
Right. Yes, that's sure I say we don't want her man. So we are cuss her man. That's the girl no say we don't want her
itch
man.
up back at the girl.
Yeah, itch up back at the no girl. Maybe start pre-say want her man.
And the next thing, you see, next time, because I go down the road, don't go down the road.
Right.
Don't make me have to ask you again if you not come, or me have to wonder if you not come. You must move set time.
Right. Right now me I go downtown now.
Gotcha. Tell me anyway if you see none of no signature mark on me.
Me go place in your forehead.
Me never lick
Put in
up.
your hand.
Me never lick
We no
up.
bother
Come
with
here,
that.
man.
We are go downtown. Come on.
Me and you, no, I don't saw this work. If you me a slave, mama,
We no
don't do it.
slave.
Don't do
Me
it.
not walk you out.
Anyways, come on, we go down the road.
One.
You see, it's one in there. Me go show you one in there. One in there, I'm go show you who is in charge. More show you something. Me promise you, me Kayla. Promise you something. When there, me go and do
You
you
keep
something.
my head. You can't manage me if you keep my head. Oh. And you want the girl man.
Hello. They hear me talk to you enough.
Oh, Acha, are you again? Tired, man. Sweat and dead.
Where's it?
Huh?
Where's it?
Yeah, man, I dry up, man. You know, sister. They weep up some plantain and some banana and stuff.
Oh.
So life.
You can't go on.
So you plan out the future where you want to, because right now nothing now really go on in the ground now, you know. But I try my best.
I feel like one go down and maybe one hard school or something could get one skill.
I like that. Me can't afford that in the meantime, because right now the money budget not really
Hi, me
high.
understand.
Can crush like a banana for me a callaloo and me can just cut.
I don't call me rather pop chow.
Pop chow.
Yeah.
I'm not farm no pop chow yet, you know.
Oh yes, you better start.
So, oh, your family them.
They alright. Me tell my mother say you're a ground engineer and she dey think say you're the one of them
What
big
ground who?
engineer. And she dey think you're one of them big
Engineer?
You
Me
know?
a work for car?
Jesus, not you too.
Huh?
Not you too. Listen what I say, a ground engineer. You engineer on the ground. You
Ground fix?
look here, you dig up your ground and you drop something in there, you
Oh,
grow it.
oh,
a ground
oh.
engineer.
Oh, that's why I see. Me never did really fully go to school,
You
but
can't tell.
that sound interested. A ground
Engineer. Me have
engineer.
to make your work sound smart and intelligent and everything.
Same way.
Right.
So, your friend, we always walk with. How many see her today?
Oh, I do not know. To tell you the truth, because me did call him and he did say him busy. So me did just go with him.
Oh, I can't tell you too much friend no good. So is that they choose one? You can't depart with
I
two
want
some my
friend
time.
I one friend me
So
have.
who the next girl?
She just exists. Me don't even know her.
Oh,
Yeah.
and who them lady are come?
Oh, that's my mother and auntie.
Oh?
You duff? Me said that's my mother and auntie.
They look alike, only different
No.
complexion.
You know, a different father than me.
Oh. I said, you know?
Yeah.
Evelyn.
Evening.
Evelyn, how do you
Hello,
do?
auntie. Hello, mother.
How do you do? How do you do? How do you do?
Hello.
My name is Jay. How do you do? Yeah.
How this?
It's the ground engineer.
Oh yeah, I'm the ground engineer.
You see, have an engineering tool when he was engineering the ground.
Sis, how you quiet, so? If you meet your son-in-law.
Oh, what's the problem?
That's a thing, my love.
Me not look presentive.
No.
Huh?
No.
Look presentable. That you say?
Yeah.
No, you're alright. Come on. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Look
well,
here, you best believe it just makes you go on. Trust me.
no, but she's a nice lady. That's what me ask
Yes,
you.
sis, you're a nice lady.
Mm,
Shake your son-in-law.
I like it.
hand.
I like your daughter, and I want to further education. The money might not enough, but at least you can push your start through the hard school.
What kind of work you do, sir?
Me farm from the ground here. Me plant callaloo. Yeah, callaloo. Me have string bean. Me have cassava.
You just say. You have callaloo, you have cassava. And if me eat callaloo.
Yeah.
Hello. Excuse me. Me no want nothing from you, Finiam.
Why?
Do I knows you?
I'm your son-in-law, your future son-in-law. Me plan to marry your daughter.
Oh.
I'm taking it to another level.
God forbid.
The only
I
young...
am not your mother-in-law. And you will never be my son-in-law. Never.
Yes, sir.
Me did tell her for make
Me
she
no
go
want
on.
no callaloo from your Finiam. But you're engineer. Me no want them your dirty callaloo them. No mind chop you put too much poison sitting funny. And then want to run for me belly. Who you?
No,
My family look like we hungry. So it make you want to take set for my... Look here.
Rasta.
Look
You know
here.
you...
And someone me a go, you know?
You know you callaloo
So,
Rasta.
yeah, stop me.
Why? Me not involved.
If you end of me from go where me I go look about my business, you know, important.
So you know respect your daughter. Your daughter fall in love. And that's in me.
But
And I find love in her.
Find Lou, who?
Love.
Lou.
Love. You know, natural love, spiritual love, love touch, tender love, all them love. You see, the moment we meet your daughter, I'm start farm harder. Because no, I'm better for her. So,
Can I tell you something, sir, before me leave?
yeah.
You sound like some old mash up crutches. Come on.
You see, when you're big and too much, I tell her for make the lady go on, but no, you insist. You're lucky she left you whole. You're lucky she never name off your neck. Me tell her say for make she go on, but you don't listen to me. And my mother, me know she steer. Eh. You have to try harder to get that the lady the approval. She's very hard. You see, you have to try better. You said true love, right? You want marriage. You have to try extra hard to win that lady over. That lady coming like ice queen. And no
All right,
else.
yeah. Tomorrow, I'm going to send her down with a box, with pumpkin, banana.
Look here, you go carry that couple. I feel like me want mash up my shoulder. Them want my
Alright,
shoulder.
I'll
Them
check
feel
it
right
tomorrow,
at
yeah?
school. You check me tomorrow.
Me same place.
Look here, I just properly.
Me not just properly.
No, what them there? Look up on your shirt. I'm gonna tell me 3 different color.
You know, love me on my shirt over 10 years now.
Me know, me believe you. Go on me out.
Yeah,
Yeah, call me, yeah?
I have to wear out the money, you know?
Which money?
what a big engineer she pick up. Why? Me think she did I go lose it, you know, sis. Oh God. Well, at least she find a no look for this. In kind of old, yes, me never expect that. But no, on a serious level. No, man, on a serious level. At least she dropped the dry foot young boy with the trousers down this so and cock up this so. At least she find a man. Old man, but at least she find a man that look like him care for her. And I go send her hearts. Remember, see you did the talk, say you want her to go college, but you can't afford it. You can't help loading, you know, ease the burden. You can look like you can't ease a lot more. Sorry.
You know, don't talk it. You know, don't talk.
Sorry.
You alone a talk and you alone a laugh. You see, say no funny,
sorry.
me no find that amusing. What kind of joke you get out of that little dirty foot man? We look my good, decent daughter when me send her school, few much years, come out with much subject. So true, me not have the money to send her to college. You must make sure go take up engineer, warrite class. Look here. What kind of engineer that day? We don't know name engineer.
Him is a farmer, you don't know somebody in the dirt. You, at least you know, say she now got dead for hungry.
You is not a good auntie.
What, because him is an old man?
You is not a good auntie.
What, you want to
Him
you
no
want,
look
you
old to
want
me.
to-
I don't look here, I know age mate
You
about.
want-
I know how
so
him look.
what?
I don't know age.
I want the money.
No man.
So what?
Him no in a my daughter league.
How?
My daughter first class, that they little dirty foot man, they were in a ground. They dig yam all
She
kind of
now
thing.
spend the rest of her life with him,
class. I'm not
sis.
even second class. You know, say last class that. Where come mix up me good that?
No, man. She now say she gonna spend the rest of her life with him.
You real again.
Eh? So she not forget. Sis.
So you agree with my daughter for
You're
your
born big. You're born big, you forget. Me might have been the little one, you know, but me remember what you used to do when you was Kayla age. Huh? When you was Kayla age, what you used to do? You forget about Johnson. You forget about drop foot, dry foot, almost 1 foot up a long Johnson that used to run after.
First time I know what I
He
want.
ride on him bike, and you follow back at him. You forget about that she
These
young
children
now,
nowadays, they have more sense than we.
Who said?
When we did ban. A
Who
civilized
said?
time this. This is modern time.
And on a civilized time, civilized when me born, me civilized.
So you want to say, when me born,
well, you said now a civilized.
no, but them pick me
lower
up born in a
man.
one technology world. They understand what going out there before they even experience it. Not tell me nothing. What you say? Me must allow my daughter when me suffer with so long without a daddy. The pound go. Let me tell you. You know and I know that my daughter, your niece, where they come talk about, like you want me put out my niece to dirty man.
Me tell you that.
No, say.
She's a big girl. She has
no and
feeling.
again, the father used to give me something for her. So right now, anybody
even
asks
the
about
no,
the father,
not the
all
again.
when in my life, me say, you want to kill that. The father not living for me. He not exist for me.
Wrong. I'm a croft. Him do wrong for true.
So not tell me, say me fi make me good daughter go talk to dirty foot grown man. I want to chat about him my
sis, me
engineer.
not agree with that. You can't tell the man Trim is a farmer.
I not
Me
to him a
agree with
farmer.
the last one.
No, you don't understand. Look here.
With
You
the
know-
Batiota
You don't understand what I'm going, you know. I
Me
not
not
to him
see
a
what-
farmer, you know.
me not see
Nothing
what the
wrong
problem
with
is,
with a
baby.
farmer.
Oh,
You
God,
know,
let me
say man.
defend you.
One look on him and say non-educated. He no have no education.
It's the heart
When my
that
daughter was so
matters,
bright I do
sis.
with madman.
For me, not go look after your daughter.
That them man they look like a madman. I mean, I want no madman breed me daughter.
Oh God, no.
Hello.
Man. The man have ambition. Me really say
Ambition.
you. The man have ambition.
Which one of the ambition them? Where they talk about? Ambition.
Tell me what is the
You
real
just meet
problem.
man and you chat
no,
about them
man,
have
what is the
ambition.
real problem? Because if you say
You see where you cost? You see where you cost?
No, didn't
Yes.
cost no. And you want to kill up yourself and all of that something there. You realize at least me take up a man when we work and say me go school.
Aye.
And you just everything you take back with you.
So what exactly you want the girl to do? She'll look and live life. She not say she'll go marry him and start marriage.
She tell me say out her own amount. So me no fit look nobody because of what they can do for me or anything. So me find a man know what me love and she
So I like so what the man tell us saying can do for you like?
No.
Cause me know you.
You don't know.
You now go
know.
there
You
with
don't
that
know.
the man there for
Why not?
love.
Why
And
not?
most money.
Nothing wrong with how a person look. At the personality and how then we take care of everything matter.
Me
Nothing
daughter?
else no matter.
Tell her.
Listen to me, my baby. Let me tell you the truth where God love. Me say, from the first time me see that damn idiot not so too long ago, you know, that's my first time in my whole sight, me about this idiot where they tell me about how long, you know. Me spirit not take him and he look like he wants Scotch Bright
Let me say
and
a
steel
mind
roll.
soon change.
What?
Let me say a mind soon change.
For what?
Oh, just for
For one man will look like they want Scotch Bright and steel roll for
Okay,
bed.
well, I'm Scotch Brite and steel wool then if to make you feel comfortable. I'm going inside here. I feel so tired and exhausted. Every day I get up and look cuss like say no a Tom and
I know me. I know me.
Me and
And your
talk
mother,
about
your
me one
hot-head
daughter.
mother.
You hear where she a talk say now. I feel me pitney and me suffer her mind you. And you hear where you talk say? So me no want good for my youth. Me must sit down like a son little idiot two man. They watch them pitney and go down in drain.
But Candy,
And you little green
what
sister
is
when me
the
have.
real
Actually you
issue?
want put out
What
me
is the
daughter
real?
figure
Me
fake
not
man.
understand what the
Figure
real
money
issue.
come give you.
What is the problem with him?
Why you no go up on the bridge go sell your front? Why you want my
Oh,
daughter fi take money from a man fi come give you? Fi pay your bills them?
Me ask you for nothing.
Me soon run you out of the house, you know.
Me ask you for nothing.
Me soon run you out of the house.
Say, our parents' house.
Parents,
Remember, me God, cause your head too hot for me. Me not understand what the problem
parents
is. Candy, maybe you
are
could go
you
find
too
a man,
parent?
you could go find a man of your own and get little loving man. You're too damn miserable. Cho.
You see it now? They want to come blame me. After me suffer and mind me daughter, you know. And now me daughter want to take up dirty foot last class, man, not even first class. You know as our auntie when me they look for say something more better than that. Eh? You can't tell me about me must love my daughter because me make she left this dirty foot. What? Yes, you see you? Where they come out of here, go? Where they go? The man call up on your phone?
No, me don't even have my phone.
Where you going?
I'm going out here go buy a juice. I'm thirsty. There's nothing in the fridge. Nothing in the fridge. Where's officer?
I can't take the mess. Yeah,
Why hot?
Hello.
Well, my niece. Before your mother come in, we want to talk to you.
When?
You didn't know she got me gone round the back. So tell me something. You like this Jay? You really like him?
Yeah, can go on. You're better than the 30-foot one on my road.
Mm-hmm. With the batty out the door.
Mm-hmm.
You can't tell you what to do, you know. But just try with him. Me not tell you to fall in love. He's a big old man. So
No,
be
wrong
careful.
with that.
No.
Age is just a number.
Yes, age is a number, but no,
Exactly.
same have more experience in this world than you.
Which is very good. You can guide me.
Well, be careful how I guide you too.
Yeah.
But if you see it can work, make it work, no.
No.
But don't be fool with it here. Always have your head. You're a bright girl. Me not see nothing wrong with him.
No,
And him
neither.
seem to like you all more than you like him.
Right. That's it.
Mm-hmm. Follow your mother. Hey. Sis.
You stay out there, so. I hear the conversation when not all in here, so. Where you encourage me daughter for the. I realize say they go on like a your daughter. You come to take over her. You they act like
Take
I know
over
your
what?
niece. You they act like I know your niece. But if you remember say, it's my daughter and it's your niece. But that don't mean such for your niece, you have right. If they encourage her, if you go there with man where look like a son liquid jackass, just to your licky.
Hi, sis.
So you want
Me
me
licky
man kalalu and the man banana and him planting them. So
Hi.
they encourage her if you go there with man.
Remember something, sis. I might be the youngest sis, and yes, he's your daughter. But you see, when you was battering on your own, and you need somebody to babysit, hold on, you're accusing me. You remind me, so me can remind you too. When you are batter, and I work, and nobody for mine are. Eh? Nobody for cook for her when you gonna work. Eh? Nobody for change your pampers when you gonna work. Me alright for help praise her. Eh? Eh? Me all know what our coochie look like before she know what our coochie look like. And me change her. Me change her shitty nappy too.
So what?
So when I'm good enough to help raise your daughter, you know me is good and me can help, right? Me not say me I take over nothing, but me not like get used neither, huh?
Girl,
me just a talk to her. What I'm saying to you.
Say to your auntie, you have right to encourage her to go chat to whosoever.
Me tell you some me pick me. All me telling her say, you never hear right. You're too head fast.
Yes, man.
Your mouth too fast.
Yes.
You never hear right.
No,
you have
but you
2
are
ears
shut
and
up
one
and
mouth
you
for a
can't listen to
reason.
what me
Me tell her say, use your head. Huh?
Mommy,
Don't go in with your heart too much. Use your head.
Auntie.
Huh?
Auntie.
And you come in and I say, listen, Candy, go find a man, because me feel say you're too dry and you take it out for me, come here, the little sister.
Hey,
Me the wrong one, you know.
I'm front your sorry for go find man. I'm my
No, you have to
daughter.
go get some soothing.
Him coming over here.
You have to go get some soothing, because me not understand how every minute you come take it out for me, just come here, the little one. Me not take it in, me not 10 no more, you can't beat me up no more.
Me say, if you think so you have right, true because you are auntie, fi tell her which man she be chat to. Because of the man a planting ground, cause you want banana, planting, and you want the man callaloo for them. Why you the force around for man when me no want round me to be the
When me a force? When me a force?
Me hear you with me.
You're not here, right? Because you're old and you're deaf. Me never want to tell you, but me I tell you now. Eh? Well, if you're here, right, my big sister, you would have hear me the last thing when you are coming. Would have hear me say, use your head and don't fall with just your heart.
Another part of me attack.
You pick and choose it. You know what? You know what? You know what? Before me tell you about parts of your body, you never know you have. Let me come out. Yeah, licky like a you.
If you go there with man say hallelujah man banana. I'm planting, you're too greedy. You figure find a man and make them buy yam and banana give you. When I cannot go look him man where you
Me not miserable like you.
You go look him man.
Go get a good man and calm down. And that you need.
You can choose me. You know, say on a crisis. Me no know me I'm not related, you know. Right now, me I wonder if I'm really my daughter that. Or I switch her in a hospital because I can't believe that she grows so old and old. 19, soon 20. Where if you have sense, I make you a pack up our little stupid head too because where man have a work she figure look.
Come, baby, come. Oh, see, auntie, nice, good old auntie. Yes, auntie, we just carry some callaloo and some pepper. Couldn't carry nothing more, you know? So,
Thank you.
yeah, yes, a good auntie. I mean, like how you grow your niece. She's so wonderful and beautiful. She's the apple of my eyes. You know, I'm a plan in the future to marry her and, you know?
I didn't know about that. You have to get past her mother first for the marriage thing.
No, I said mother ton. Mother always get vexed at first and then after a while and, you know, get in. Right now if you call her, she calm like a lightning. You know?
Try now. Try.
No, man, you know have to call her out, man. It's good, man. But so me I tell her, say, your niece, I tell me what she want to be in the future.
She full of ambition.
Right, and I got me like, you know, the rest of young girls around the area here. Call to them, they don't want me. Some of them tell me go home. I want to me away go ground like say me fi change the clothes every day. Fi go ground. Why sense?
They want prettiness. And
You have to know say the money are coming. And right now, the crop now really a function because you know banana take a long while for shoot. Because soon as planting, farmer, a real farmer would know say a planting there so. But I like her that much. I tell her, but some of the time I worry about him mother. I tell her I worry about him mother. That's why I tell her I can talk to my mother today. Come on, yeah, what's your name? What's your mother name? Candy. Miss Candy? And chopping noise
like
here?
I move from right just saying.
Huh?
I feel like more move.
For what?
Oh.
No, man. You have to be a man, you know. Cause without
Chat to me listen from afar.
Come here, come here.
I am good right here. Very much good.
Yes, Miss Candy. You know, I can come here and weed up them plants here for you know. Like pop down the leaf them so then come out on over here and trim up the place.
And him bring
callaloo and pepper.
Callaloo and thing.
Right.
And him bring food and callaloo and thing for the house. Just to try talk to you, sis. Just hear
right.
Just hear what him have to say.
Me no want nothing from him to eat.
Just hear what him have to say.
Take it. Like how me and sister. And then nothing.
Give him a chance.
Just take that.
Just sit a good woman.
You know me?
No.
Where you know me from? You just see me few days, you act like I say you know me long time. Where come me at come pop down my planting leaf? Me ask if you clean up something for me?
Me all push it out of the way.
So, me tell us me can't see. Are you in my way? Me ask if you clean up. You look like you want, look how fresh, nice and green. Something you're going like it dry up and drop down. What is wrong with you? Where you come me at? What is wrong with you? Who you come to?
Your daughter come meet me.
Go on to me daughter, where you call me name for?
But me tell her I want to see mother and talk to her mother. And I'm here to talk to you.
Look how you big and don't call me daughter him. You want him daughter.
Alright, sorry about
him
that.
Father,
I'm
his sister, him brother. Where you live on?
Alright.
Alright, see me here. What you want, sir?
Alright. Your daughter is
Okay, good deal. What you want?
good afternoon,
What you
or
want?
good evening, or good night, any one of them. Your daughter, I'm in love with your daughter, you know? And I really would appreciate if you could just give me a hand in marriage. So
What you just say?
if you could give me a hand in marriage, so
Me
we
fi take off my daughter and them and put in a year and say go marriage.
come here.
Where they
No,
talk about?
me good with me. Me no pick up no box right in my face. You want
You
to up and
want
pick it
my
up.
daughter to married who? Your father or your brother?
No,
Cause it
me,
could never you.
me. You know what is
You the
love?
right there, sir?
Yeah.
Me no see you.
You see me?
Me see you. Me see you all right.
Well, me and
Right now to me, you're invisible. I me no want no ghost be my son-in-law. Get it?
Hey.
I understand you. But I'm a man of my word. And when I said I love somebody, I love somebody.
How long since you meet my daughter so till you all the things say you want married my daughter?
I always see her in the area and I was always admiring her and say she looked like
So
a
your little dirty yam where you carry come and me yard in a box. And your little old piece of banana them when not even full good then look fluxy. Like they wanna give me Marley gripe and fluxy complain. Me look at me hungry to you. Who asked you for them?
just bring it to you know when all right it's just like in Africa when you love somebody and you want to approach you're carrying
If you
things.
say nothing about Africa, Africa is my motherland. And that's where my ancestors then come from. If you think you're bad, talk, 'cause you know about history.
Yeah,
So we're not to right there, so.
we as an African we carry
Okay,
things to the
Okay,
mother.
now you're talking, because the whole of we are African.
To the mother, to the motherland, to show our giveness to the family. If we didn't have cow, I would carry cow come. I don't have
You know,
cow.
for you see grass over here, so?
I don't mean like that.
Like, if we eat it,
Like, all right, when you have married a daughter in the family, you
we
have
don't
to
have beef. What again?
talk to your mother for me now. You're intelligent.
Are you the one me
you-
tar? You speak for yourself, sir.
Okay.
Please,
All
I
right.
beg you.
Why-
Convince her yourself.
Why you think your daughter don't deserve me? I me don't deserve your
from the
daughter.
day me see you until to the day your clothes not change, your beard?
No, my beard, but if it change
No.
every day.
But, yeah, my beard. But, if it change every day. What you mean?
Me I
When
work in
it
the
be the
ground.
day when you meet me,
Uh-huh.
you see me nice same clothes same way?
No.
Okay, so you know what I fear you and so.
I have water, your daughter understands I'm a hard
Don't
working.
every day and blasted minute you mix up my daughter, ask my daughter, come talk to your mother. Where do you look here? What you want?
Why you hate me so much?
Me no hate you, me hate your style and your looks and your attitude and your big dumb and done so me can see you can't read. I do not want to spend so much money on my daughter and then my daughter go have no foolish idea in her head and take up a stupid done said man like you that cannot read. Can you spell your name?
Yes, I can do that, but me,
Spell your name. Spell your name.
I'm planning to build you a stall and give you the ground floor to sell.
God forbid. I will never sell none of your provision then. In the name of
Then, mommy,
What-
what difference between a washing engineer and a ground engineer? What you do? You walk around and wash people clothes.
One
What
a wash,
difference?
one a plant.
Okay, so
Now what?
the clothes can't eat. The food you can't eat the food. The food get energy. The food
Look
get
at what
energy.
you
for your
Bravo.
body.
Take your look at come out of me yard. You look like I say me that and I tell us say I want mad woman or fear mama. You're out there and bright and rank. You know who dare you to speak when I'm speaking? You're out of order. But you want to be my son-in-law. Who the heck you think you are?
A good man,
Bloody hell.
I'm
I'm tired of you.
a man that never would cheat.
You would never cheat on who?
And your
On my
daughter.
daughter you try to trick? She look like idiot to you?
Ask her.
You see them crosses that way you can't come in my yard? Look here. You know what? My mind tell me, say, you impotent and I need 25 grandchildren. You understand?
20.
I need 15 granddaughter.
You know what? You know
and
me and your daughter no
10
would.
grandson. And you look like you're impotent.
No, I am
So,
fully.
me don't want you in my family at all.
No,
Come out of my yard.
I'm not impotent. I am fully impotent.
Yeah.
I'm fully loaded.
Please come on. Where the machine there? Sis!
Run. You turn up.
Sis!
What
Where
happened?
machine?
Run. Yeah,
Where
idiot.
machine?
Run.
Sis, where the machete? Where the machete there? Where the machete? Where the backside? Where the machete? Oh, you're gone. You shouldn't run. Where you run for? You not shouldn't turn up. Where you run for? Cause I feel your yard. First of all, me not like you. You come in my yard, come pop down the planting tree like a you planty. You me tell us some one son-in-law? I need 25 grandchildren and you can't even give me half a one. Eh? Me no want me daughter breed for no man and no seed. Backside wall. No come back on me yard. Dear man blast after all.
Well, me have a long day today.
Boy, brave, so you feel like you want bed.
Me soon
You
go,
sweaty, could you?
no, me soon go bed, but you don't feel like you want to avoid your friend and it's not good for you.
Soon, man, soon.
Every time you see a past a morning time and we call to you and this and that, them a kiss up and a frown up and this and a talk about how this and that and how. Me don't like that.
You want to look?
Thanks.
You say you must thirsty.
That is wonderful, they serve me. They saved my life. Sorry about the serve. Mistake, you know? Tired and stressful.
You see, if I never you buy me, me don't tell you so. Something.
Hello, good evening.
Oh, good evening, Auntie. How you doing?
evening, you good?
I'm
Alright,
fine,
you
yeah.
like
You can't go on with me.
Mm-hmm.
Me say you couldn't go on with me.
Evening, mother-in-law.
And Miss Candy. I call her mother-in-law. Candy, call her.
No, me
Miss
have to respect. I have to
Like you
respect.
can't take shame.
Huh?
Like you can't take shame.
No, man, no matter what she do in life, you know, the heart will forgive one day.
Okay.
So, it's, you know, you understand. You're a big woman and you understand. The heart will always forgive. We vent today, we repent tomorrow. I don't say so.
Come here. Come here.
No, me
man.
you not have to jam it. Just tell me
right
something
here,
to come
so.
here.
No, come right
Yeah,
here.
broke
so.
my hand. Because
Your
no, me
hand
I
now
go
broke.
come.
Come here, so.
Man, your bossy bracelet.
Nah, tap about bracelet. You're full of excuse. Me go broke your
And
hand, me go pop the
excuse.
bracelet.
Mommy, I have to say just come right here. I will
No, me know
obediently
you.
walk
You
to
love
you.
run.
Me
From your
not
little, you
run.
always a run.
Can you ever slap me?
Ever slap you?
You left me traumatized.
I saw me grow you. Come stand up a roadside and chat to man and name chips.
Something wrong with that?
So what them you kind of sitting here. In my bike here.
Mommy, you know how much it ruffles? $200. Can't stand there, not cheap.
Yeah,
Take
it's not
ruffles and
cheap.
catch you.
You can't touch me with that.
It's very
Don't talk.
expensive.
And then this a licky one and just come and near me. Hey, you just come and just take your near me and no business.
A poison.
Hey,
Should I
listen.
drop down dead?
Okay.
Right. And that's a, I respect you as an
an
auntie-in-law. Yeah.
Me no shame for say me hungry, my mouth dry right you know.
Respect you as an
Me not
auntie-in-law.
afraid to say,
You're a good
yeah.
woman. You understand
Me
what's
no
going on.
toast.
You understand? We were earlier and discussing about how we're gonna come up with the wedding and stuff. So I think of
I could never disgusting. I must disgusting. You sound disgusting.
you know I tell her that I'm gonna buy the wedding ring and engage to
The plan. You have a plan.
yeah but it,
But wedding on the roadside.
yeah but it,
You don't live nowhere.
huh?
You don't live nowhere.
If me not live
So
nowhere.
upon road, you want to marry me daughter upon road. You know
No.
plan to marry upon road. You meet her upon road. You give her chips every day. Upon road, you do everything.
No, I told
So you
her.
hide and joke me daughter upon road.
No.
No, upon road, no. Oh God, come on. No.
We
I
didn't
would-
even joke yet.
Not
Well,
to
we are
start
till
joke,
marriage.
We're wait till marriage. She said, I love your daughter. If we didn't know love your daughter, but I take a piece of back shot in the and put her up in the back shot in the banana walk.
We're not dead first and then
Too
you marry me
far, too
daughter.
far.
You not help yourself, Jay.
Oh.
You know,
Hey,
help
what me say?
yourself. That's so.
What kind of marriage?
Boy.
Why you not dead first and then you can ask me if you can marry my daughter?
How am I gonna do that? Why should I dead first?
Because me know why you're not my family. So when time you're gone now,
But-
she will look another man.
But see,
We
your
look
sister,
more presentable. With the
but your
backside you want
sister
to come into my
accept
family.
us and encourage us to
And my
be.
sister you put in this. So I sister you tie up my sister head. Me call her for sudden she dey on your side. Or I say you're planting and you're sitting down
Hi.
Maybe you're too cold or your head too tough or your heart is stone or something like that. Because are you alone just against everything? Everything you find fault with.
people have anything.
So, no, but seriously,
Baby,
why?
some man you look like him sitting can't turn up.
No, who business about turn up? You feel say, okay, at least you find a hard-working man.
Yeah, like you really.
Well, it better me turn young and green and stay a virgin. Me I got turn married. The Virgin Mary had a baby boy. The Virgin brush. Mommy, you yourself now me come out tired and me talk no brush.
All right, what should I put on the table just for your daughter? Because I love your daughter.
What would you love to bring to the table? Because you say you're in love.
All right.
I used to something I know.
What I would love to bring to the table.
Your plant and your cassava and your dashing and you stick them up there so. Your callaloo.
Better than anything. The young boy, them a saka the girl, them a not give them nothing. More than some big promise.
You can't tell us something?
Yeah.
It smell like cursing now. I mean, no one when my daughter come on the yard, she come on my bed with no cursing oil scent.
But I'm working all day.
I'm a working man, you know, sis. Oh,
Unless I
personally, man, make up this or a plant you say in the plant.
when you're farm, you no burn. You no burn bush. Don't talk me about my belly, because me not hungry.
You see, because you're not hungry. You just say you're hungry, I know your belly full.
Me not hungry all the time. Me not offer people for them
food.
food.
Every minute she take up for you. Where you know this?
Right is right, sis.
She knows that I love your daughter.
No, sir.
And that's what mother true love.
So you in love with this donkey?
Yeah, me in love with the donkey. You hear about Shrek and Fiona? Yeah.
Oh, you watch the
No, I know Shrek and Fiona. A donkey and a dragon. Yeah, a donkey and a dragon. They didn't love in a Shrek.
So you are which one?
No, me a dragon.
And your
my
husband to
donkey.
be is what?
The donkey.
No one a donkey in my family.
Well, okay, well, come out of the family. Me no have no else to say to you. True love never
don't
dies.
push it too far.
No, when I push it,
she will unalive me.
Unalive me. Mommy, me can't bother with you. You're just too much. Make it stay. I'm going home.
Your mother.
Your drawers are get big now. So you ready for rank with me and disrespect me in front of your little crosses, jackass. Man, them with they walk with who and all kind of sitting on road so they have ground. And how them a engineer.
So what wrong with this?
What
wrong with it?
Maya make it touch me, you know. Just Maya make it touch me, you know, come in like it.
All right, sis.
Maya make it
Hold on.
Go up the road. Cause our head hot right now.
But I'm me first there, so.
Every day me see her and I see him close. Eh? So when I left from your bush and go and go bed. And after me that you want to come mingle with. Eh?
They don't go
No
bed.
wonder why when she come home that day me I spread up in bed and she lay down in the bush she tired and asleep. Me see a flea in her bed. He and ticks.
And I'm missing get it from.
With you in your bush.
And I'm missing get it from.
Flea and ticks.
I go and go bed and me that day I relax and buy the chips and the juice and we attack.
You can't rub off your little dirty personal bush, all ticks.
You never have man a yard and the man no bed from morning until night.
Me have no man.
I see the problem now. I see the problem. You see why she miserable because she don't have no man.
Come make a ready to start.
You're ready to start.
You're ready to start.
Run!
You're ready to start.
Sis, all right.
Hold on.
Run! All right, sister, all right. Run! Ain't gone too far for you. Come, remember your precious sister.
How we hold you?
It's nice, not true. The rice could have soft as
Me not really like the rice.
Me not like it neither.
The chicken
can go on for true. Can save life.
Kind of goodish.
It's not as nice as yours, no sis.
Not like, but you know that nice, but you can't eat.
Especially when you're hungry. Why? Can save life still. Can go on.
Hold on there. You never beg me money this morning.
Beg who money?
You, me tell you, say, I did one last money me have to give me daughter. And you say, no money. Where you get this?
It's nice though.
I tell her say rice, no, so nice. But the chicken kind of can go on, but that nice.
The chicken can go on, no.
I'm hungry, me eat it.
Aye. I'm my nephew-in-law, buy it, give me. Who? My nephew-in-law.
Where are you nephew-in-law?
Then which other nephew-in-law if I have? One sister have one picnic. And she have a man. So, my niece man and then my nephew-in-law. No. Come on, sis. And you're hungry. Stop it, man. Don't waste the food.
Hold it.
Don't waste the food,
You
man.
know,
That is a sin.
Me accept him, yes, as my son-in-law, but me not really want to feed. Take
Me
this.
now waste it, yeah.
You
Me
hear me?
hungry. Wasting his food is
me
a
know
sin.
it,
You know how
me
much people
accept him,
hungry?
Me accept him, I know, you know. As my son-in-law,
Yes.
because me realize, say, my daughter say, him she loves. So you know what? I just have to accept them, man.
Yeah, man.
But
Me all talk with my mouth full, cause me happy.
me no want.
Cause you would run her, you know. When you push her away from him, you push her closer to him. And you're gonna run her. But like how you accept him, watch and see if your relationship not change and
No,
get back to how it was.
The reason why, look, listen to me. Me only accept this man because my daughter say
Yes.
she love this man.
Mm-hmm.
Me not accept him because me not accept him because me like him or because he have grown can give me that too little food for down. How you feel like?
You do the right thing. Cause if you don't accept him, you just have to push her away from you and closer to him. Sin. What if we never have dog, eh? What if we never have dog and puss out there? Oh God.
Hello.
Hey baby, you alright?
Yeah.
You hungry?
No, we're not hungry.
Alright.
12:40.
You know, so the chicken can go on, but the rice, I stale rice. But sure me hungry.
I people them I think shop the pots.
Me know, man, me know. You can use a knife and fork, God give me a.
So when do that so now? Cause we didn't hear no to do our cosine or never cosine.
Go closer to your mother, make your mother give you the good news. No lick nine of this, a good news, a good news. Good news.
Listen to me. I realize I can't tell you who you fit with from who you're not fit with. You choose who you want to choose. Well, I go accept your choice.
You sure?
You say you love this man, go ahead.
You sure?
Me I give the go ahead. Me just do it because of
You
you.
sure your mind not change?
No, me mind not
You
go
push
change.
it.
Well, promise
No,
me.
a matter of fact, me no know if my mind go
no,
change.
No,
but
enough it change. Promise me that. Yeah. I'm a fuck my chance. Yeah, I'll do that. Just for you.
you say you love him, so I wish you all the best in life with him.
Me proud of
You
you,
don't do
sis.
it because of you. Me not do it because of the man and where the man they give you. And you are the next one.
Me know say that was tough. Me proud of you.
Take food and come for me.
Like say me I go make the food
I
waste
know,
like
tell
you.
me where
You think
you
say me
get
an
it from.
idiot?
So what I know, where you push me for? What?
Just tell her she says she accepted you. She don't have the kind of
Hi.
Hi.
Good evening.
Nice,
Is this real?
nice meeting you again.
Vincent, is this real?
Go closer for the good news.
Huh?
No,
Go
you're
closer
you're
for the good news.
you're
Me don't need
don't
to
be
shield you
afraid.
now.
You're not
You're
forget.
not afraid.
Me not fi shield you. Alright, turn up like a man. The good news you get.
Anyway.
Listen.
Are the only daughter me have?
Yeah.
I'm going to talk to you right now.
Yeah.
From the bottom of my heart, I am not doing this because of you. Me accept you in my family because of my daughter. True, she said she love you. I know not else. Me no want nothing from you more than one thing.
And what's that?
Just give me the phone where you have.
Bum! Hey!
You can't do that.
Hey!
No.
Me no mean me a techie. I something me I go do with the phone. That's in case anything happen to me daughter anyway you have me daughter, me can track you and know where they and where they do to me
I'm
daughter.
not gonna hurt my princess.
Me have
Why
one
would you do
phone. You
that?
think me mean like techie? Me say just give me the phone. Let me do what me I
I
do.
can share my location each time. She know that. I'm very trusted, right?
Safety is one
Look
thing
here,
though.
I
Safety
don't
is
love me love you as a
important.
son-in-law and I don't trust you. Me just do this
Yeah,
and
man.
accept you as I tell you
Safety
before
first.
because of my daughter. So
Which
you
is
can
right.
take the go ahead. And if you want married or not married.
Yeah, I'm gonna plan it properly and invite. I mean, I can buy clothes, wedding clothes, but she can marry in any clothes. You know, the yard clothes, we talk to a pastor.
Please no go.
Lord
Nobody
God, you just get the go ahead and
Listen,
yes.
you say if you no married, just not invite me. You no can go on. But me
No,
here go
man,
ahead.
you have to be
No,
there at our
you me go
wedding.
busy
No,
the baby.
man, no,
So you
no.
as my sister,
No,
can go
you
there.
is our
Me go
mother, you have
somewhere,
to do
remember
them.
say me
She don't have to do them. Like she's
remember say me always go work. Me can't.
No, your daughter wedding, you're crazy. The only thing we said though, make somebody else cook the rice here. The chicken can go on. The rice not so good.
Some get up people them still, so you have to still with them. We have
Me
to
no matter, friend
them
and clean,
cheap.
me no mind.
So them cheap, we can go which part expensive, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So I have to go where I can afford it. It's like $350 for it.
Mm-hmm.
You want to get up people them have some chicken from the fridge or what?
Look here, tapping nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, dig a hole now.
Baby, you ready?
Yeah,
You
wow.
follow me back out and road and you come back over.
Me dey pack up some clothes here.
Yeah, me
Cause
carry
so me
gladly.
did done talk about everything
Yes,
already.
gladly.
You can stay with him. Remember say your
No
husband to
problem.
be.
Gladly.
Come.
At least we get to know each other. Shut up
Eh.
and take me in. Take up your you
Too
want
early to
you
move.
know
Why?
early, shut
Why?
up. Go on where you go. Come go your yard and I sleep tonight. Go on where you're going.
Why is this?
Go on.
Sis, you pack her
She
up
don't know
to
when you
leave.
approval and that
You approve and I send her out
So
already.
you go. Simple. Don't go.
Me never know
If
you
you
see where I go so
ever-
far.
If you ever dare open up your mouth and say anything when me no want you to say, you see me name your food.
Hey, like you can do me nothing. It is me a picnic no more. Hey, me not take
Yeah.
last lick no more, you know.
Name your
Me
food.
not ten and take last lick no more.
Just
Now me I eat my food and me I go have energy try.
name your food.
Sefe. Come on. One more?
Me no want none.
Come man. That's your son-in-law food, man.
I don't know what that man do with this money when he use by the food and he just sit down and name
My
your-
business with the
Hey,
money.
See, say wicked do you know? You know where you get the food from, you know, and you come half for me. So when you know say anyhow, me did know say that's how the food they come from. Me who they take it?
But sis, you know, just bring the money here and tell him say you accept him.
Yes,
you
but-
put hand or more or less give you a hand.
Yes, man. Yes.
So how
But
me
tell her
wicked?
say me only do it because of my daughter. See it, me no do it because of him.
No matter how
But
see
me
it,
no
the
want
food
nothing
alright.
from him. Me no want nothing from him. Me did one chucky phone, you know, in the bank and my daughter go, me know.
Me agree with that because safety is
Most
safety.
think more thing phone to take. Right. Oh no, give me this.
You could bang a phone.
Idiot. I'm a bang again and say iPhone. Idiot.
Which iPhone? iPhone 4 that. iPhone 4. You don't know about iPhone. Android you have. iPhone 4. Them declare a 16 or 17 now and a 4 him have. Come today. You don't know all the food.
I
Me
wish
and
my
you.
daughter all the best.
Mhm.
That's it.
But you forgot to the wedding though.
I'm not going.
You gotta go.
I'm not going.
You gotta go.
Now listen to you. Come help me tidy up your place.
If me
and
have to
see. Me
drag
bed look
you-
too bad.
If me have to drag you, you go come.
No.
Me go
Name
heat
your
this up
food,
little.
man.
Me go heat it up, man.
Man, come
And bring
help
back
me.
in fear.
Help me fold up them here. Place and tidy.
Me a come. Wait for me.
Okay, all right. Later.
You can't tap my mouse, Kayla. No, sir.
But you not get none.
Yeah, you're man.
Wagwan.
Jesus Christ.
Oh,
So when I bag there?
huh? You say you want your future bright. You want to go to the college in the China to study medical. But good news. I go and make sure say that happen.
So when I bag?
Huh?
When I bag?
Ground food, girls, that ground food. I could have garbage in there. Tapping and see my talk to your
Wrong
woman.
food.
Say good my talk to your woman. What wrong?
Wrong food. You never know.
How we get a sink paint now?
Woman,
That girl in
you want to
business.
see your man, cocoa, want you?
Look.
Money, girl.
Money? Yeah, idiot, where you get money from?
Yeah, man, don't worry about that.
Feel
I
it,
got money.
Me and I
Me
is a
got
friend.
money. So that can cover you
That's your look
for the
so.
whole entire medical and everything what you do.
4 years.
The 4 years. I
Money
can
not for
cover
you?
you.
Yeah. Money.
US
I
Me never
have
know
money,
say a man
but
have money.
I don't go on like I have money.
Where your man get money
But you
from?
me know you're true love.
Yeah.
Me make sure say me try to find the right money for them. Them no want no man. Then.
Me da look you. Me da look you if you tell me that. Me da look you. Me da look you. Where you're my friend there. You're damn farmer you. Farmer. Relax.
Relax, you know money in
I
that.
pull your gun food and you put $1,000 in there. Money in that? Me say money in there.
Go on.
Look! I never know see have money.
Me no
Then get hot.
No, show off like them boy you see around there. So.
Yeah,
I
not
walk
true.
up and down and come to scoop in front of you. Me not do them something there. No, knock me. Don't do that. Yeah.
Yes, you know, some girl
So
engineer.
give me some now then. Yeah, girl, touch me, girl. I'm happy for you. High five. Give me some now then. Finally, you find the right man. Happy for you too.
Go down before anybody take you.
Happy for you, girl.
Yeah.
We're so happy for you. Girl, you're mad? Me feel like I take away money. Yes, analyze her. Yes.
No, watch out, no cannot.
Me go analyze. Yeah, but
Me not a problem if we take your money.
this is what me say now. First of all, we ain't a friend like that. Every time one with she, we can't make him come out and get a left with you. Yeah, idiot, and go up on plane, Gaga college. Kill me.
I feel like say me want come out and get with one or two.
Analyze me, analyze that. Make me make a plan. Come on, no chatting with she. Come on, come on, chat to she. A friend she a look now. Girl, yo. Okay, come and tell us something. Where you rub me down for where you want? Listen now. Listen, man. We go call Kena. So what? Tell her, say we want congratulations about the thing, about our way to China. But me not glad, so me congratulations for. Me happy about it? Girl, remember, say me tell us, me go do a little thing. Oh, where you get that from? My uncle. So you put your hand pan me for? Me not put my hand pan it. Me no, talk about this, so me no want my fingerprint pan it, but you have to give me some of my money. Yeah, girl, if me have your money, and me have the job, yeah. Thump over this one. Kena! Well gone, girl, you good? Girl, me just so glad to you make you figure out China go do the college something. So me I say if I could have come let me so we could have congratulations you. Buy you some juice. Although when I reach me can buy you a bag juice or something. Yeah, girl, you know, you're not for nothing. Just come, girl. Alright. We have a plan you. Without a bamboo tree. She'll come. Alright, when if she go carry the bag of money? Must. Watch out, girl. Me happy for you. You finally reach. So we did say we buy a champagne, so we say we are going to go down at the beach side. But we can't go and chill. So come here, son. So girl, how life? What you plan to do?
No plan for me. No go to college anytime I done. Me take care of Unwa or something.
You go take care of we?
Of
That's
course,
nice.
girl.
I want a surprise over here, Sophia.
What type of surprise?
Girl, I want a big surprise. Me surprise it. You know what
Come here, nothing.
Yes, girl. Girl, you know big plan. Come on, fence. Come on, fence. I want dessert to play.
I have to go catch it again.
Yeah, we know why you miss it playing. Today, are they go?
Yeah.
Oh, rotted. Sure, the surprise.
So what's surprise there, Vaya? So what's surprise there?
Hmm?
What's surprise there? What you happy for?
Hold on.
What?
What are you going on? Put it on. Me know want my fingerprint on it. Put it on. Hurry up before people see we no idiot. Take our time back.
Help me no. Help me. Help me.
Me no want my hand on the body. You have to protect myself. Hurry.
Help me no.
Me no want my hand on the body. Hurry up. Me and look. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Pull it back. Pull it back. Pull it back. More money. Give me money.
Mirror. Kuya. Close.
You could check your bag first. Ask him why you have in there before you go do that. Look, you go murder now. Are you wanting this, yeah? Are you wanting this, yeah? Later, you wanting this?
You're a wicked friend. Jesus Christ. Go me kill you. Make it look like they're teeth. Some man.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Girl. Right now, me had me go lock down and me now come back out.
Focus, what?
Where to touch me? What problem? You know what I know say we really do it.
Do what?
He unalive. The girl, he unalive Kena. She me delete out the call and me send go give Kena. Me delete me chip out. I have to take out me chip when me go me yard.
So what you did there? What you did there?
Me did there. And me call her.
Did you call Vivi?
No, me call Kena. We come and say we call Kena. So when Kena come, I look in her bag. Me say me get $1 million now. Me
I
apply.
told you the plan to do it.
Yes. But guess what? No money no in
Did
there.
that?
No money no in there.
Right.
Yes, man.
Me
So
a
wait,
come.
girl, what you know?
She dead. You're deaf. We good it over Miss Carol yard.
Listen, I wasn't on a friend and I did
Me
not
don't know you and me don't know Riri. Me
you
gone.
Why not never on the internet?
You
Boring.
know, say me no like how they stay. You can't owe them nothing, you know.
Me know. Then I give you good service, but then quit for fight you for them money.
No, me I text one of my friend and when me look, me I see come about reconnecting and disconnecting. Me can't bother with them sitting here, you know.
That's why me just lock off the phone. I can't
Anyway,
fight
my
with it.
backside, you don't know what, just come in on my head. Normally, my daughter would have come look for me at daytime, you know. Since she left me the chat, you know, she
Yeah,
always
man,
come look for me.
every
But
day.
me not see her from morning.
Me think so you see her already come me did gone down a Tom.
No,
So
me
me
not
think so me miss her.
me not
And she
see her,
come
me.
and gone.
Me not see her, but I go up, she alright, and I hope that man the girl sitting for me no cause me no, you know, no joking, you better take care of my daughter.
You know what it is, remember what it is to be in love.
In love.
Then probably lock up in the bedroom and can't come out. The can't probably not make him come out, you know. You know,
Eh.
say how you that.
Your smiley are not there.
Hey, come in.
Look for she.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, no, our friend.
our
Good
friend
night.
them.
Auntie can
Good night.
still.
What you mean when me there so still? What you talk about? Me no me yard. Me can't stay me yard.
That I get shot in a coma.
What?
Little girl.
Get shot
Little-
over man.
Go on. Eh?
No.
Eh?
Oh man.
My daughter.
Kena get shot over man, auntie.
My daughter get shot over man. Who?
A joke you make?
How?
A joke you make?
Just come down here and call and dead for my friend auntie better than that. Me think you know the hospital already.
Which hospital
When?
is this first news to me?
Close. Then send me if you come for our parents. They're supposed to be on the area. Me think it.
Ah, the first Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. So
Oh,
where's she there? Where's she there?
Which one?
Which hospital she there? Talk.
They don't Palm Beach Road.
Oh, no.
She not reach hospital yet.
I want hospital, but a private hospital. Oh God.
Coma.
We have to go find money. Eh?
Coma.
And then
She
she
about
said,
to feel alive.
oh God.
Jesus, come. Where you come for? You come for a clothes?
Yeah, close.
Candy, go. You go. Me will run up the clothes for her.
Candy.
Jesus. Let me run up the clothes for her. Go on, now you still a sit down you look for. Where are clothes there? Hold on, I joke this. I joke and I run with me. How you still a sit down there? I'm not real.
Yeah, well, give me clothes. Are them this?
Yes. Let me put her pajamas in the fear.
You see you?
Why you do still sitting down?
Don't
Come
tell
on,
me
the
say
shoes.
me still sitting down because if anything to me daughter, you know. And you are the cause of it, you know. And you
And what the
are
rest you talk? Before you go hospital, go check your daughter, you blame me. Blame me for what? And you give her a bag, make she go out and move out. No? And me did I sit down there the other day and near my sauce dry food. And you say you pack up bag. You never see me shock. Get up, man. Come make we go hospital. We are still sit down there for you say your baby get shot. Oh, Jesus Christ. Come Candy. Oh God, come Candy. Where the room there? Oh God, Candy, come. No, Sammy, can't lose my sister too. No, not today. Not today, Lord. Not today. Come Candy. Jesus, come Candy. Come. No, sir. Me not lose my sister, me niece, and I want you mad. Come. You want more out? You want more? Come, wake up. Me know. I the shock, sister. I the shock. Come. I the shock. Come.
No put it for me.
Come. I the shock. Jesus Christ. Lord God. Come, my sister. Come. We have to go. Cause you know what? Oh God. Me know, sis. Come, baby. Come. Me know your baby. Come, sister. Come, baby. Come, sis. Come. No, man. Come. You can't stay here. Come. Candy, come.
Can't look for me daughter dead, no.
No, she not dead. You know hear the little girl say she not dead, baby. She not dead. Hold on to that. She not dead. No, my niece can't dead. She just sick. She sick. Come. Cause when you come, And she sends her mother. She go wake up. Oh God, come Candy, me can't lose you too. No Candy, you're my sister. Come. Come Candy. Come. Come. Go when she see you. You want more alcohol? Come Candy. Come. All right. No. I can't lose my sister too. You mad? My sister, my niece. No, Lord. No, Lord. Come, Candy. Come, Candy. Oh, Lord God, she don't wake up yet. Candy. Oh, God. Candy, come, man. Me make you sleep, little Candy. Lord Jesus. I just the rum, me I go the alcohol, me I go come. Come, babies. Come, sister. Come. You have to wake up. You have to wake up and come.
Excuse me.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? What?
I never go to the hospital.
After you faint? At the alcohol and thing you have to wait provide you.
Faint.
Alright, come.
Make me talk.
What you do here?
It don't make sense. I'm going to the hospital to carry clothes. I'm going to that now. You're going to the bed, so I'm dead. It makes no sense. She don't depend on that bed. Ask Dr. Fear, they said they're not
No! Come, Candy. Candy, come. We have to go. So when them take her? Oh God, them need the next of kin, Candy. Oh God, me can't leave you, Candy, me can't leave you. Come. We need, no, God help me. We need to go hospital. Candy, Jesus. Huh?
I'm going to search the funeral to see her.
Me one thing at a time. Candy going. Candy. Oh God. All right. I just shut.
Help me. Miras. Help me. How are you, Ma? Somebody shot me.
No, the Lord Jesus Christ. Lord God have mercy.
No, me pay you.
Huh? Me call the police right now.
No, don't call nobody more.
No. Lord
Help me,
God.
more money me pay.
Why?
Family.
Lord. Huh? You say money?
Yeah.
You have money?
Where
they? Lord, Jesus, me not want. You can have money. Me no want call the police at the money.